Hey, good day and happy baking to all. Today I'm going to be introducing you to Mybakersmart's Royal Icing Premix, which is also called Magic Powder. We're going to be adding our paste color to it, which is available in multiple colors at our stores in Bangalore. Add a little more water and make sure you're checking the consistency as you proceed further. Royal icing also has the tendency to absorb moisture from the air. Preferably use a whisk for this step and it will make your job much more easier. You want it to be a thick, pasty, paper book consistency. I'm just checking to see if we're ready to proceed further and add the color. Alright, so it looks like we're ready to proceed further. I'm going to add a tad bit of paste color into our royal icing, which is also called magic powder. Make sure you're adding a little by little and checking as you proceed. Here I'm going to add some more color to our royal icing. Make sure it looks festive and nice and Christmassy. It looks like I've attained the desired color. So now I'm gonna stop. Take a piping bag. Reverse it. Make sure your hand is under it. For this step you can also use another container. Make sure the other container jar is holding the piping bag just as you are. And you can scoop the royal icing out and fill the piping bag with it. These are disposable piping bags. Use this scraper to push it in further into the piping bag. Tie a knot at the end of the piping bag. Cut the bottom tip when you're ready to proceed.